So good morning to all of you MSc first year physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series in our subject in quantum mechanics, and we want to continue our chapter is the angular momentum. And in this lecture we want to see the spin matrix representation of S plus and S minus operator. So first of all we want to see the matrix representation of S plus operator or matrix representation of S plus operator of S plus, which is can be inferred by the formula and we have to know that this formula, so that S plus cap of operator of basis S comma ms, that is the spin of this matrices. So S comma ms is equal to H cross into under root of S into S plus 1 minus ms into ms plus 1, and the basis of S comma ms plus 1. Okay, and this matrix which is represented by S plus of cap half comma plus or minus half is equal to the vector combination of the bra of half of operates this S plus on the basis of the half. Next one, the bra of half comma half, this S plus cap operator which is operates on the gate of half comma minus half. Again next, the bra of half comma minus half, and this S plus operator which is operates on this nothing but the gate of half comma half. And next one, this half comma half, bra of half comma half, this S plus operator which is operates on the half comma minus half. Okay, and we want to solve this matrix representation. So again see here, so solving of this matrices is nothing but S plus operator. How to solve this matrix? Okay, see here, the gate of half, again this half comma minus half, again here the bra of half comma half and bra of half comma minus half. Okay, so we have to know that the spin value is nothing but the S is equal to half and ms is equal to plus or minus half. Okay, if we put the S value is plus half, so what is here, because of we have to see that the combination of this bra vector of half, this S plus operator which is operates on half, and S spin value is half and ms value is half. So half into half plus 1, so this is the 3 by 4, and ms, this half into ms plus 1, so this is minus 3 by 4, and this is ms plus half, this is the 3 by 2, and here your spin is denoted by half, and your spin by the calculation is nothing but a 3 by 2, and overall this calculation is 0, so that's why here value is coming from 0. Okay, again the vector combination of the bra of this half half of S plus operator, which is operates on this gate of half comma minus half. So the spin value is half and EMS value is minus half. So if putting here value, half into half plus 1 is nothing but the 3 by 4, and minus half into minus half plus 1, minus half plus 1 is nothing but the 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is the plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is the 4 by 4, and this value get is the under root of 1, and this value is nothing but the ms plus half. So minus half plus 1 half is the what is minus half. Okay, ms value is minus half plus 1, so that is nothing but the 1 by 2, and this is the correct factor. So this value which will be get h cross into root 1, h cross into root 1. Again this s plus operator which is operates on this half minus half s plus this and this, if we are getting to calculation, so this matrix representation of this half minus half and this ket of half half, this also 0, and matrix representation, or we have to get the calculate value of matrix representation of bra of half comma half and this ket of half minus half comma minus half, this s plus operator which is operates on this, so this value which is also get 0. So the your s plus operates value, so which get the matrix representation of 0 into this h cross also taken outside, so h cross into 0 root 1 0 0, and root 1 value is 1, so that's why this s plus operator operates on this spin and azimuthal quantum number of spin. So this matrix representation which is coming from 0 1 0 0. Okay, so this is the matrix representation of s plus operator. Again we want to see here the s plus minus operator. Okay, so the matrix representation of s minus cap operator which is can be inferred by the formula, and this formula which is nothing but the s minus cap. Okay, only edit here, so s plus is nothing but the s minus cap, and in bracket here. Okay, so this is nothing but the s into s plus 1 half into minus ms into ms minus 1, or ket of s comma ms minus 1, and matrix representation is same like as this, only this s minus operator which is operates on the this matrices. Okay, so matrix representation as same like this. So this s minus cap of operator, the spin value is half, ms value is nothing but the plus or minus half. So matrix representation of this bra of half of s minus cap which is operates on this ket vector. Here again this s minus cap operate on this ket vector, this s minus cap again operate on this and this same type. Okay, so we want to see the matrix representation of this. So if we calculate this value, so what is calculation is coming for there, we want to see here. So this s minus cap which is operates on this, so that is the s value is half, ms value is plus or minus half, so putting here value. Okay, so that first we have to know that s is equal to half, and this ms value is nothing but the half, so half into half plus 1, see this is the 3 by 2, and here half into half minus 1, so this is 1 by 2 minus 1, so that is minus 1 minus minus plus, so that is 3 by 4, and here ms, that is the half minus 1 by 2, so this is minus 1 by 2, and here your basis which is nothing but the ms value half and half, so that's why this value which is getting for 0. Okay, this calculation if we done, so this is also 0. The value which is for bra of half minus half and this half half, so this is getting the h cross into root 1 because of y, so that ms value is the half. And if we doing the calculation 3 by 4 minus half into half minus 1, so this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is plus 1 by 2, and this getting 1 by 4, this 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, which is nothing but the under root of 1, and this ms half minus 1, so this is the minus 1 by 2, so getting this value. So that's why this is nothing but the h cross into root 1, and this is also 0. So that final calculation of this s minus cap of operator, which is nothing but the this h cross is taken outside, so the matrix representation which is coming for here, so that sees the h cross into 0 0 under root of 1 0, and final s minus cap value which is nothing but the h cross into 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the matrix representation of s minus cap operator. Okay, so again we want to see here the matrix representation of sx and sy operator. Matrix representation of sx cap and sy operator. Okay, and this matrix representation can be implied by the formula, so that is the sx cap is nothing but the 1 by 2 in bracket of s plus plus s minus. Okay, if we solve, so that is sx cap is nothing but the 1 by 2. Okay, and we have to calculate the s plus matrix representation, which is nothing but this h cross is taken outside, so 0 1 0 0, and plus this s minus operator, this value is there, so h cross is taken outside, so matrix representation which is nothing but the 0 0 1 0. Okay, and if we doing the calculation or addition of this s plus operator and s minus operator matrix representation, addition of these two matrices, so this value will be get here, so that is the sx minus, which is nothing but the h cross by 2. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is the 1, and 0 plus this 0 is 0. So the matrix representation of this sx cap is nothing but the h cross by 2 0 1 1 0. Okay, again we want to see here the matrix representation of the sy cap. This is the matrix representation of sx cap, and we want to see again the matrix representation of the sy minus sy cap operator. Okay, matrix representation of sy cap. Okay, so see here the matrix representation of the matrix representation of sy cap operator can be implied by the formula, and this formula is nothing but, what is formula? So that is the sy cap is nothing but the half of s plus 1 by twice I minus S minus. Okay, or again this formula which is nothing but, okay, so what is this? S y cap is nothing but the I by 2 in bracket of S minus minus S plus. Okay, so we want to solve this first formula using of this formula. So this value is nothing but, so calculation which is nothing but the sy cap is nothing but I into h cross divided by 2. So this S plus matrix representation is nothing but the 0 1 0 0 minus, okay, or if we take the S minus operator value first, so this is nothing but the 0 1 0 0, and S plus operator which is nothing but 0 1 0 0, and if we doing subtraction of this, so this is nothing but, so this sy cap is equal to h cross by 2 is taken outside, this I is multiplied inside, so 0 minus 0 0, okay, 0 minus 1, this minus 1 multiplied by this I is nothing but the minus I, okay, this 1 minus 0 is 1, and this multiplied by this I, so that is I, and 0 minus 0 is nothing but the 0. So the matrix representation of sy cap operator is nothing but this, sy cap is nothing but the h cross by 2 0 minus I 0. So once again we want to see that here the formula all types of the matrices, okay, so from starting the sz square, okay, or sz square, so total matrices we want to write here. So first of all we want to see the matrix representation of the S square, so matrices of the spin, okay, so spin matrices, okay. First of all we have to see here the spin matrix representation of this S bar square, and this is nothing but the 3 by 4 h cross square into 1 0 0 1, okay. So this is the first the matrix representation of the S bar square. Again here see the matrix representation of the sz cap, okay, and this sz cap of matrix representation which is coming here, so that is the h cross by 2 or matrix representation which is this coming for here, so that is the 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1. Again see the matrix representation of this sx plus which is nothing but the h cross into 0 1 0 0. Again matrix representation of this S minus cap which is nothing but the h cross into 0 0 1 0, okay. Again matrix representation of the sx cap, okay, and this is nothing but the h cross by 2 in bracket the sx matrix value which is nothing but the 0 1 1 0, okay, 0 1 1 0, and matrix representation of this sy cap which is nothing but the h cross by 2 0 minus I and 0. So this is the spin matrices of sx S square, Sz, S plus, S minus, Sx and Sy. So this is the spin matrix representation of spin angular momentum. Now next lecture we want to see the Pauli spin matrices theory, and this value which is the matrix is nothing but the SI is equal to, okay, H cross by 2 into sigma I, and due to depend on this formula we want to calculate the Pauli spin matrices and vector of this Pauli spin matrices of which is spin up and spin down. So thanking of you.